Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can link to sections within pages and Google Sites. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, go to sites.google.com and log in to your Google account. Inside the main dashboard, we can select a recent site that we've been working on, or a template provided by Google Sites, or we can start a new site. So, I'm going to choose this for example. Now, for this to work, our site has to have multiple sections. And sections comes from content blocks. So, let's add a few. Now, for example, I'm going to type here, workspace. And then, we are going to link this to a button. So, how do we do that? First, we have to click on Publish, and then click on Publish again. After that, go to the bottom and click on View. Let's scroll down, and until we get here, click on the button on the right side of it, which says Copy Heading Link. Copy that, and then go back to your editor. Now, let's make a button on another section. Let's insert it right here. So, go to the right corner and click on button. From here, I'm going to type in workspace, as this will be the link to the heading that we just chose earlier. And then, we're going to paste the link that we just copied right now and insert. Now, we have a button right here. So, let's publish it again. And from here, let's test it out. So, click Publish again. After that, click on View. And then, let's scroll down. So, if this works, we should be redirected to the heading that we just made earlier. Click on it. And as you can see, we've successfully linked two sections within the pages. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!